There's something wrong with there's something wrong with my current setup here. Go with the capture and then go with my control. It's probably better to do that. Something like this. Or wait, I'm gonna turn off the display capture here. This one. And wait, I think I'm gonna turn on the my this PNG tuber. Probably need this one. And wait, I'm gonna add a display capture. Um, I mean the window capture here. It's, I already have set up the PNG tuber already, so I just need to just need this one to be in right here and on the top of this one, like that. Right? Okay. Okay, we have this already. It's gonna be fun to do this. And yeah, let's go and come to. I'm probably just gonna use the display capture. It's probably better just to use display capture. Right. Okay. Let's go to our Godot. Okay. I'm gonna, diba? Wait, I'm gonna use pixels now. So currently we have this one. So now move, double jump, then on this character you can actually hover. Yeah, okay. Then we have this character can also attack and simple attack, and we can also dash. Can also dash while on hover like that. And on the top, like I'm just gonna actually calculate the position of the position of our player. So it's going to detect which clip would be the dummy target. We're going to have an animation, like for example this one. Okay, so let's go to the script on our. So we don't have actually this dummy. Let's go to the Narda. So wait. I'm just gonna do it. Sprite animated. Okay. So we use paxing in this one. That's using the back position. What else should we do here? Um, let's just delete this one. And delete this one. Okay. Let's use the attack, edge attack. Animated sprite, edge attack. So yes, we have the edge attack. Let's find another attack. So in this one, we use um, edge attack. And we have edge attack on this one. Purple head check, which is going to be in this. So what we're gonna do here is, since we have the body name, the target, it's going to check an overlapping body. Then um, yeah, area body that name, body that has me to take damage. So this one, how can we actually flip that one? Dash dir. Let's try to do something like a flip. Like, let's also add an F here. Body that, because on our left and right, we actually use the flip each. So can we access the animated sprite to the on our animated? Let's go back to the dummy. Yes, we have animated here. SAB ball. So take damage. So it's gonna be like is gonna be bull also. So since we have this one, let's also add another one. If animated, wait, probably we need the current position of our player. So we need to add the current position of our player here. Wait, do I have someone watching? Okay. How can we get the current position? Body position, body pose. So it's gonna be right there. Body pose. It's gonna be an x-axis. Okay, that would be like, this would be an integer, an int, yeah. So if body pose is greater is equal was greater than 1, greater than the what? Self, that position, that position x. Wait, how can we access the self x position? That position. Wait, what are the position though? Will you do this? Wait. It uses vector, the position of x and y. Or can we use the body po? I don't know. I don't know how we can actually integrate this one. Because we have the NARDA. Let's just take this one. Then we have the body that name. Just take the this, but it actually doesn't actually take the parameters inside of it. So it's gonna be a problem, right? Hello. It's what else? Bisa to ko na. Let's actually go to the space sprite. I'm gonna do with the animals. Player is 104 feet. You just open a file. Um, Probably let's go to Pinterest. It's samurai gun. I really wanted this kind of thing, like the art style of the samurai guns really got me interested. I like this map, but I really wanted like a simple map. This is kind of confusing. I mean, not good for the scenes. Or this one, I'm gonna probably use this one. I'm gonna let's yeah, I like this one. Let's create that one. So the map. So let's go back to the sprite sheet. This one. So we have the sprite sheet of the first map. So we left everything empty there. And I'm gonna do this. I don't like this one. I think this is way too big and it's having a problem with the generation. So I'm gonna delete this. And I'm gonna do this, which is simpler. And probably delete some of these. Wait, that one, and we can add actually this one, like that, which is way better when we are going to do tiling. So let's actually put it here. Nice. For some decoration, I think the much better for us. We have one, two, three. Okay. Let's go to the Facebook. Let's go live to the Facebook. Okay, let's do a live here. Don't know if I can do live, multi-live, with that docs. Photo multi-stream. I'm gonna do live here. I'm gonna go set up the live. It's kinda, I don't have a proper internet connection right now. Oh, it's actually different. Let's go away.